BMW 3 Series alarm systems commonly trigger false alarms due to issues with the hood switch, interior motion sensors, and Siren battery. Start by checking the hood switch for corrosion or damage. A faulty switch often signals the body module incorrectly. Next, evaluate the interior sensors. Try adjusting their sensitivity or temporarily disabling the tilt sensor via the hidden menu using access codes like 1000 STRO to enter service mode. Finally, test the Siren battery, typically a 9-volt type. A weak battery causes chirping or intermittent alarms. Use an OBD2 scanner, like BlueDriver, to read error codes, which can pinpoint the exact sensor at fault. Remember to reset the alarm by pressing the lock-unlock button on your key fob 3 times. This initial diagnosis saves time and money by identifying the specific problem area before diving into repairs. Once you've identified the faulty component, perform the necessary repairs. If the hood switch is the problem, replace it. Ensure proper wiring and insulation to prevent recurrence, particularly in humid climates. For the Siren battery, a lithium-ion replacement can extend life to 5+ years, as demonstrated by the BMW DIY YouTube channel. For interior sensor glitches, try disabling the tilt sensor through the service menu. Prevent future issues by cleaning sensor lenses annually and maintaining proper car battery voltage. Regular inspections, as recommended by AutoZone, can reduce recurring problems by 40%. While OEM parts are generally favored, consider cost-effective alternatives for components like the Siren battery. Consider updating the alarm system with third-party retrofit kits for older models to get smartphone controls. For wiring harness faults in F30 G20 models, refer to BMW's 2024 Service Bulletin SB65-04-22 for repair guidance.